Okay, good morning once again. The subject matter for today is the characteristic of shipbuilding steels. No, first, steel for hull construction purposes is usually mild steel, containing 0.15% to 0.23% carbon with mild steel, no, and a reasonably high manganese content. So kapag ka mga mild, ibig sabihin ito ay may percentage na 0.15% up to 0.23 and the high manganese content. Both sulfur and phosphorus in the mild steel are kept to a minimum less 0.05%. High content of both are detrimental to the welding properties of the steel, and cracks can develop during the rolling process. If the sulfur content is high, no, steel of a ship class with Lloyd register is produced by an approved manufacturer, no, and inspection and prescribed tests are carried out at the steel mill before the spot. So, doon pa lang sa steel mill before processing the steel ay meron ng criteria ang ating classification society. All certified materials are marked with the society brand and other particular as required by the rules. Okay. So ito yung ang ating mga klase, no? Klase steel section of shipbuilding. We have the flat bar, no? We have the offset valve plate, the angle bar, no? Angle bar, and the T-valve, no? T-valve, merong T-valve. And the channel bar, which is madaling tandaan, no? Channel, letter C, channel bar. And another T-bar here, no? T-bar, the difference of T-bar to the T-valve is more shorter, no? Their wings, no? So, mas malapad pag bar. Okay, so there are now 5 different qualities of steel employed in merchant ship constructions. These are graded by A, B, C, D, E. No? Grade A being ordinary, mild steel, to Lloyd's register, requirement and generally used in shipbuilding. Okay, grade B is a better quality, so mild steel than grade A, and specified where thicker plates are required in the more critical regions. Grade C, D, and E are possess increasing notch touch characteristic, grade C being the to American Bureau of Shipping requirements. So, grade C ang American Bureau. So, the more na nag-i-increase ang letter, the more gumaganda yung bakal. Okay, so, high tensile steels, no? Steels having a higher strength than that of mild steel are employed in the more highly stressed regions of large tankers, container ships, and bulk carriers. Using of higher strength steels allows reduction in thickness of deck, bottom, shale, and framing. Where fitted in the midship portion of the larger vessel, it does, however, lead to a larger deflection. No? Okay, so in order to show high tensile steel, no? Ito yung mga high tensile steel na ano natin, yan, sample natin. High tensile steel. Okay. No? Yan. Yung talagang magandang pagkakagawa, no? Pagkakaluto. Okay, then we have another, the corrosion resistant steel. Steels with alloying elements that give them good corrosion resistance. No? Colloquially referred to as stainless steel are not commonly used in a ship structure. primarily because of their higher initial of fabrication cost. No? Mataas, mas mahal ang stainless steel. No? For oil tankers, but for the passenger, the yachts, no? Yung mga yate, mostly stainless, no? Makikita natin yung superstructure. For oil tankers that interface surface, particularly the deckhand and bottom, are generally protected by high-cost corrosion steel or resistant coatings that require vigilant inspection and maintenance. So, yung mga sa tanker, sa mga tangke, ni-stainless na nila yan to have a corrosion resistant. Okay, so in order to show the corrosion yan, corrosion steel, yan, kita natin. Stainless yan, no? Gandang pagkagaluto. Okay, so steel sandwich panel as an alternative to conventional shipyard fabricated steel and steel plate. Structure propriety, manufactured steel sandwich panels have become available and used on ships, where the lighter weight was important. Such panel consists of a steel core in the form of a honeycomb with flanges to which the external steel plates are resistant, spot or laser stick welding. Ito yung mga plates, parang sandwich. Okay, so we have sample on stainless sandwich steel. Pwede ito, steel sandwich panel. Yung buo, malapad. Pero ito ay made ano lang, kahoy yung loob. Pero plate yung nasa labas. Okay, ano mga regular sheet? We have the plates. Okay, the other one is the steel casting. Molten steel produced by the open heart electric furnace or oxygen process is poured into a carefully constructed mold and allowed to solidify to the shape required. Okay, after removal from the mold, the heat transfer is required, for example, annealing or normalizing and tempering to reduce brittleness. Okay, ito yung procedure. Stern, frame, rudders, frames, spectacle frames for bossing and other structural components may be produced as casting. Okay, so casting, ito yung niluluto o binubuo. No? Mayroon tayong molded. Yan. Tulad yan. Yan. Steel casting yan. Kinast nila yan. No? Meron silang pinoporma. Okay. Now, next is steel forging. Forging is simply a method of shaping a metal by heating it to temperature where it becomes more or less plastic and then hammering or squeezing it to the required form. Forgings are manufactured from kiln steel, no? Skilled steel, more additives, no? Steel made by the open heart electric furnace or oxygen process. The steel being in the form of inox cast in chill molds. Okay, so to have a picture out of steel forging, no? Yeah, mas steel forging. Yeah. Mas ano, mas pulido, no? Mas pulido. Okay, so that is the whole topic for our uh, lecture for today. So I hope you understand all that. Okay, thank you.